Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a very exciting video because we will be unboxing. I just received the item, the LBC guy just delivered it, and of course before we do unbox the box, we have to sanitize it for safety purposes. And you might be wondering what it is. It's actually a Softbox set. So I ordered it online. So let's go. Let's open it. Here, on the top part, we have two boxes. I believe this is for the bulb. Yeah. And also it's attached to this round box. Okay. And I have here a black bag. Two of them. Two black bags. Okay. We will open this first. Snap on. Ooh. What's this? Oh, it came with a, I think this is the filter, fabric or cloth, I don't know. And then, this is the umbrella, I guess. Yeah, it is. Ooh. Okay. And we have the switch and the plug. Okay. So we open this one. So it's a snap-on. Wait, no, it's a Velcro. Velcro. Yeah, it's a Velcro. It's Velcro. And then on the other one, the other boxes. Oops. So I believe this is the stand. The white box is the bulb. Let's open it up. I hope it's not broken. Ooh, good thing it's secured. Yay! Okay. Wait. Next box. Okay. Good. Open. Okay. Came with the plastic. It's a very lightweight stand. You can bring it everywhere you go. It's okay. Have it. This is the items that I received, and in fairness, they came in very good. No broken parts so far. I don't know, we will see. We will assemble this one, and I'll update you. soft boxes here and there, and this is what you get. So I have one ring light in the center in full blast, and then each soft boxes on each side, and the soft boxes bulb came in with a 45 wattage. So if you prefer to have more brightness, then you can change it. You can adjust to whichever brightness you want. Just change the bulb wattage. And yeah, so far I like the package that I got. Nothing's broken, everything's functioning well so far. So if you like where I bought it, if you'd like to know where I bought this one, I'll just link the description or the information in the description box below. So yes, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing video, and see you on my next video. Bye guys!